This movie, for me, was very personal. Like, I really understood this life. Kat Valdez, she's a global superstar. She's strong and confident. She's a businesswoman. She's a boss. But also, she's just a regular person. She's a regular girl who needs love and who wants to feel like she has a home. At the opening of the movie, Kat is about to get married. She's doing this huge concert with her boyfriend of a couple years.
Yo como personaje soy una estrella, un pop star. Le encanta su carrera, le encanta su música. Es muy apasionado.
But in 1 second, everything changes.
Kat Valdez' zukünftiger Ehemann Bastian wurde in flagranti erwischt.
Wenn man etwas anderes will, muss man auch etwas anderes tun. Ich werde dich heiraten. Dich.
Charlie is a math teacher. He has, kind of a simple life.
Du bist doch nicht zum ersten Mal beim Bowling.
Yeah. There's a level of fantasy to this movie of this normal everyman, Charlie Gilbert, being picked by this huge celebrity and coming into this lavish world of excess and sparkles and beauty and wealth.
People want to see movies that give them hope. Hope is romantic.
Was mache ich jetzt? Da stehen und lächeln.
Being that Charlie is not into celebrity, he's able to really just see a person and love her for who she is, the girl.
But Charlie's struggling with this world of superstardom.
Wir sind nominiert bei den Grammys.
Was? Wir sind nominiert?
And it looks like we're back together.
But are we?
Yeah, no?
To find out, watch Marry Me, coming soon to theaters.